Hi guys, postman's bin, nothing very exciting, should be a USB lead, just a long one, 3 meters I think. Doesn't actually say on there, but I think that's what I ordered, 3 meters. That's to power my security camera. Which is currently sitting up there running off a power bank, but the idea is it will be outside the front door running off a wall chart, what do you call it? Wall wart, the Americans call them. Off a power unit. So we'll do that. So there we are. That's what it looks like. Tucked away in the corner of our entrance. Right, we're recording from the app, screen recording. The camera works, but it is right on the limits of its range, so it's very, what's the word? It's a bit jumpy, it's not smooth. So I would say it's next to useless, but at least I've proved I can do it. So that's the dummy security camera with a real security camera in it. Although I say real, that's the one that I was scammed when I bought it, and it doesn't have all the features it's supposed to have, like infrared. And it doesn't record either. So it's rubbish. But it's up there. And that's a little bit of it full screen. Yeah, next to useless. Now it's locked up now. A little bit of Chinese writing saying signals lost, I think. Words to that effect. Back again. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.